Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Well, today is going to be a hairstyle tutorial and I will be sharing with you guys a quick 5 minutes hairstyle, especially for the days when you have greasy and you don't have like a time to wash your hair, so your hair gets like super greasy and oily. So you can definitely do these hairstyles. These are very time saving and can be done very quickly. So without further ado, let's get started and let me show you guys how to create these 3 different hairstyles. Now, as you all can see, my hair are super greasy and oily, so let's get started with the first hairstyle. Things you would need is a comb and then few hair bands. So for the first hairstyle, I have done a middle partition. This is totally optional. You can go for the side partition as well. I'm leaving few of the flicks in front of my face. Now I have taken few section of my hair and then I will be start doing a simple braiding like a normal braid we do, and just do it like towards the end of your hair length, and then using a rubber band secure it. Now I'm going to be pulling out the hair from the braid just to give it like more volume, and it kind of gives a very different and a very beautiful effect. So that's why I like to pull few hair from the braid. Now since the one side is done, I'm going to be doing the another side off camera, and this is how the other side looks like. Now we'll be picking up all the hair from my crown area and then pinning them up. You can use a clutcher or you can use any rubber band. And then we'll be taking both the braids which we did a minute before, and then using a rubber band I will be tying them at the back. Now this way you do not need any bobby pins to secure them. Using a rubber band will secure your braids very tightly and it will hold them up. You can also use a hairspray here, but I am not using any hairspray. Then we'll be opening the hair which we pinned on our crown area, and this is the final look, you guys. Just see how beautiful this hairstyle was, and it was very effortless, and I just created it within like 5 minutes, and you can do it anytime if you're going out, or you can do it for any festive look as well. This looks really good on all the different Indian outfits and the Western outfits as well. Now let's do the second hairstyle. Second hairstyle is also super quick and easy. Again, I will be doing a middle partition for this hairstyle, but if you guys want, you can do a side partition as well. Now nearby the crown area, I will be taking a few stack of my hair and will start braiding it very gently. Now we don't want our braid to look super thick, that's why I've only taken a few stack of hair, since we would be leaving these braids in front of our face and we don't want the braid volume to look super thick. So that's why make sure you're taking very less amount of hair and then start braiding it towards the end of your hair length, and then using a small rubber band just secure them nicely. Now since this is a very thin braid, I will not be pulling out the hair from this braid because I don't want the braid to look messy and I won't be leaving it on my face, so that's why I'm not pulling out the hair. So this is how the look looks like. It will give you a very baddie, a street style kind of a look, and you can do it whenever you want some baddie and a street style kind of a look. Now let's get started with our third hairstyle. So for the third hairstyle, I'm going to be taking my hair at the back of my head and I will be doing a lower ponytail, and using a rubber band I will be securing it. Now we'll start twisting the hair, just like rolling them up, and we'll be creating a very low bun, and then using a rubber band, once the bun is created, I will be securing this bun, and ta-da, that is done. It was very quick and easy. So that's the final look, you guys. I think I just created within a minute, and it's again very effortless hairstyle and doesn't take a longer time. So these are all the 3 different hairstyles which I created for the days when I have like super greasy hair or oily hair and I don't have time to wash my hair. They are very quick and easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please make sure you comment down below and let me know. In case you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and press the notification bell icon. I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.